I'm so happy to be an ASICS ambassador for the second year in a row. If you guys have been following me in my running journey, I have basically only worn ASICS for the past 2 years. I've run tons of half marathons, a couple of full marathons, 5Ks, 10Ks, like all of my training in ASICS. I swear by ASICS, and I just got my first package of this new year, so let's unbox it. Getting a PR package always feels like Christmas. I also usually don't know what's inside of it. I do know there's one new shoe drop that I'm pretty sure is in here, but the box is a lot bigger than one pair of shoes, so I honestly don't know what else to expect, which is so exciting. I feel so blessed and happy, and I don't know what I did to deserve this, but I'm always so excited whenever I'm gifted things from anybody, but specifically from ASICS. First up, we have this beautiful blue backpack. This could actually be a good carry-on item for travel. Super spacious, like a huge drawstring opening. Yeah, this might be what I take with me whenever I go out of town to run races. Love this. And then we have some clothes. Ooh, is this a jacket? This is so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, here's the front. The front's pretty simple. The back says ASICS Track Club in these neon letters. It's also super reflective, and the zipper has this cute orange detail. This is really cute. What size did I get? I got a medium, which is perfect. I love this. It is starting to get warmer outside, but there are still those random cold days, so hopefully I do get to wear it before this season's over. This is the relaxed pullover jacket, and then, oh, pink, something pink in here. Wait, this is so cute. This is the Road tank top. I have this in like a dark navy color, and honestly, it's one of my favorites. It's like that perfect crop where it's not too short, but not too long, so it doesn't feel uncomfortable. This one's not the cropped one. So this one's just the regular Road tank in this really pretty like dusty pink color. The front has their motto, which is sound mind, sound body. And yeah, this is just a super comfy like razor back tank top. And the most exciting part, we have 3 pairs of shoes. I still have so many pairs of shoes that I got sent over the last year that are pretty much unworn. I do try out the new shoes when I get them just to test run them, but you just literally can't go through like a ton of shoes that fast. So I'm so thankful. But they're constantly dropping new things. Like, guys, ASICS, when I was in like high school, I felt like was like the ugly dad shoe, but now they have really stepped up the colorways, the design, the technology, and they're constantly having so many amazing drops. So first shoe we have, this is a Gel-Cumulus 28 in a gray pink color. These shoes are so cute. They have lots of cushion. They have a really thick heel, which is good for me now because I've been dealing with plantar fasciitis, and this is a really pretty, like kind of pastel-y colorway. This colorway is giving spring. This feels like what March is. Also in running shoes, you always want to size up at least half a size. I personally go up 1 full size, and let me just say, in all the marathons I've ran, I've never lost a toenail. So definitely make sure that you size up when you get running shoes. There's 4 pairs of shoes in here. Oh my gosh. The Meta Speed Tokyo in green. These shoes are definitely, so these are carbon plated shoes. Let me just quickly say, not every runner needs to be running in carbon-plated shoes. It depends on the pace that you are running. I am not running a 3-hour, 3.5-hour marathon, so I personally would not wear these for a full marathon because I need a bit more cushion and support. But for speed workouts, track workouts, these are where I would wear these shoes. They're super, super lightweight. Y'all, this green color is so pretty. These are the Meta Speed Tokyos, and these are just such a lightweight, bouncy, airy shoe. And you guys can see the bottom is carbon plated. My friends who are pushing like a 6-minute mile, they would wear these for a marathon. Me, I'm more of a Nova Blast type of girl. I need a thicker heel because, again, I have feet problems and plantar. Love these. Okay, next pair of shoes we have, oh, I've never heard of these ones. These look like trail running shoes. These are the Trabuco 14s. I've never had these before. These are my first pair of trail shoes. So here's what they look like. Dark with some purple detailing, and then the bottoms, you guys can see, these are trail running shoes. I will definitely have to test run these. I've never done a trail race before. I'm so scared to like bust my ass, twist my ankle, but I think we'll have to test these out. And last but certainly not least are the ones that just dropped, the Super Blast 3. These I think are my favorite ASICS shoe, like overall, behind Nova Blast 5. I would say Nova Blast 5 is first, and then the Super Blast series are amazing. This color is actually crazy. Look at this color. This feels like a galaxy, it feels like space, and yes, I do have a big foot, plus it's one size up. But the Super Blast 3, I actually was training in the Super Blast 2 when I got injured, and once that happened, I kind of took a little bit of a break and switched back to a more thicker, cushiony shoe. But these are amazing. I have a marathon coming up in 9 weeks. I honestly have not been training for, but I need to figure out what my race day shoe is going to be. I've been training in my Nova Blast 5, but I'm not sure if I want to race in those or get a different pair. But that is everything that I got from ASICS. I am so thankful and grateful and blessed to be an ASICS ambassador for the 2nd year. All of the shoes and things that I showed you guys will be linked down below. Comment if you have any questions about ASICS or running shoes in general. But yeah, this is everything I got, and I'm so excited to test run all of these and put them to use. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye!